What all can you make with Silhouette Cameo 4? Wondering what to make with Silhouette Cameo 4? Here are some project ideas for your inspiration. Custom apparel. With Silhouette's intricate cutting ability and the freedom to customize design, making custom apparel is really easy. Cut and iron the designs onto a t-shirt, onesie, sweatshirt, tote bag, pants, apron, throw pillows, shoes, and more. Vinyl decal. Vinyl decals are easy to cut, apply and remove, and can be applied to any soft and hard surfaces. Cut decals to decorate notebooks, home, car windows, mugs, tumblers, and more. Paper crafts. With its precision, Silhouette Cameo 4 is the perfect tool for paper crafting. Silhouette Cameo 4 can cut all kinds of paper, from lightweight copy paper and cardstock to light chipboard. You can make gift tags, cards, envelopes, gift boxes, paper flowers, and many more. Stickers. Silhouette Cameo 4 is an excellent tool for making stickers. You can make different kinds of stickers such as planner stickers, sticker sheets, sticker gift tags, waterproof vinyl stickers, and more. Custom stencils. Another thing you can make with Silhouette Cameo 4 is custom stencil. You can cut stencils out of adhesive vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and Silhouette stencil materials. Use the stencils with ink, watercolor paint, spray, dye, and others to add designs. Sketch projects. With Silhouette Cameo 4 you can create amazing sketch projects. You can sketch and draw using Silhouette sketch pens, any sketch pens, chalk, permanent markers, white opaque pens, glue pens, and more. You can draw and sketch on cards, tags, labels, envelopes, and create fun art projects. Party decor and favor. With Silhouette Cameo 4 you can create party decors, invitations, sentiments, shirts, cake toppers, make personalized gifts, and more. Anytime there's a party coming up, you can rely on your Silhouette machine. Other projects. Silhouette offers a lot of specialty media such as shrink films, tattoo paper, washi sheets, sticker paper, foil transfer sheets, vellum sheets, and more. Use these specialty media to make statement earrings, temporary tattoos, custom scratch-off cards, and more. With Silhouette Cameo 4 you can create many unique and fun DIY projects using a variety of materials. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.